Hey, this is Driving with Myles. So who needs this? If you are a beginning driver, if you are taking your DMV test, if you're less than 10 years, so we have our Chevron alignment signs. So if you go too fast, you'll go to the edge. This is dangerous, feel me? So you've got to be careful. You can't go too fast. Also, you got to look over your shoulder. There's the car. So you always have to check. I'm more acutely aware because that teacher ever said the lady and the dog are flying. What's up with that? So now I got on my right turn signal and I'm kind of off my gas. I'm at about 45. So I'm smooth. Now, here's what a beginning driver may do. They may go too fast. I'm gonna go way too fast. Okay, so I'm going too fast, and I have to fight the car to get in lane. Some beginning drivers do that. See how I'm going out to the edge? See, that's scary. That's what beginning drivers will do. Don't go out too fast like that. So that's a great example. I really have to fight the car to keep it in the lane. So I'm maintaining speed now. And that kind of makes you squeeze the wheel and it makes your heart drop. And if it was the wintertime, I would have been in the ditch. Okay, so I'm maintaining my speed. I'm gonna get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I gently, smoothly get into the lane. I cancel my blinker. A lot of beginning drivers turn the wheel too much. Okay, if you turn the wheel too much, you're gonna lose control of the car. You're gonna upset the balance of the car. So I'm maintaining my speed. And I'm just gonna stay smooth. I'm not looking down, I'm aiming high, looking ahead at the cars. The left lane is the passing lane, the middle lane is the smooth lane, the lane to the right is for slow moving traffic. So I'm gonna make a lane change to the right, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, I look over my shoulder, I gently turn my wheel, I cancel my blinker. I'm in the lane. So I have my edge line to the right. In case the car breaks down, I can get over to the right. I have my broken white lines to the left. Traffic can make lane changes, so I'm maintaining speed. And I'm nice and smooth. I'm taking my time. I'm being patient. And there's a car to my blind spot to my left. So you always have to look around and check mirrors. I'm maintaining my speed. I'm being nice and smooth. Yeah, check my mirrors. So I'm gonna make a lane change to left, but I'm gonna make room. And it's okay to make a lane change on the curve. You just have to make sure you have room. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I gently get over one. I cancel my blinker. I'm in the lane, nice and smooth. It takes beginning drivers about 5 to 7 minutes to kind of settle down. You will be nervous. You're gonna have your DMV tester, your road tester, your instructor evaluating you. So relax. Just be smooth. You can feel the car kind of just settle down. It's nice and smooth. I'm taking my time. I'm maintaining my speed. So a lot of beginning drivers also may hug the right. There's a car to my blind spot. I check my mirror, so I'm going to hug the right. I'm going to show you what beginning drivers might do. You think you're in the middle of the lane, but you're not. I'm in the middle of the lane, but my car's over to the right. A lot of beginning drivers do this. The driver behind me is going to start acting weird and nervous, and this car doesn't have a blinker, so now you're a danger, but you don't even know it. So she looked out, but she didn't even use her blinker, so you have to use your blinker. So now my car is centered again. Now I'm going to hug the left lane. I'm actually going to try to hug the left lane with the car, so I'm out of my lane to the left. You'll get marked down for that. Also, it's a little windy. The wind will blow the car left and right. So what I'm going to do now is pretend I'm a student driver. I'm going to lift my foot off the gas, and I'm going to start losing speed in my lane change. That's what beginning drivers do because they're so scared. So I've already lost 10 miles an hour. And you can hear the car going, so I'm losing speed. The car behind me, see, the lady just changed lanes. So actually I'm at 55 miles an hour, a little too slow. Now she's gonna give me a dirty look. She gave me the dirty look. I'm smiling because I'm not dirty. So now she got back up to speed. So you wanna maintain good speed control. You wanna look ahead and aim high. This does and can create a little bit of anxiety. I'm maintaining speed. I'm smooth. Now I'm gonna drift to the right. I'm gonna show where beginning drivers do. That is so scary. I'm literally hugging the right lane, okay? You don't want to hug the right lane. Now the truck behind me is changing lanes because I'm a little bit under speed, and you can see traffic just leaving me, literally just leaving me. So I've already lost about 7 miles an hour. He gave me a dirty look. Why are people giving me dirty looks? Anyway, so that's the larger vehicle. They really should be in the right lane, but I'm a little bit under speed. So I'm just maintaining speed, taking my time, and I'm gonna drop even more speed. So a lot of beginning drivers go under speed. This is a slow student driver. We're really under speed. The speed lane here is 70. I'm at 60. I'm 10 under. Your DMV tester, road tester will start to get concerned. You will start to lose points because we're going slower than the flow of the traffic. So now you become a hazard. And I see cars changing lanes because I'm under speed. So if you go under speed like this, you're actually a hazard. Okay? So I'm going 12 under the limit. Ooh, I got the police behind me. So I'm gonna pick my speed back up. Okay? But that's okay. Let's see if the police will pull me over. So I'm back up to speed. I'm at 65, but everyone's gonna be an angel now. Why? Because the law enforcement are out here. So most people drive at the speed limit. I'm at about 65 now, so my speed's back up. You're gonna see everyone kind of stay with me now. Okay? You don't want to be behind trucks carrying wood because that's dangerous. I'm gonna maintain my speed. And don't be nervous because the police are around you. Just, oh my goodness, people are using blinkers. They're good drivers. They should always be good drivers. Don't fear law enforcement. Practice good fundamentals. Because when you practice good fundamentals, the outcome is always positive. So the police are behind us. You do get a little bit tense and nervous because the police are behind you, but you have nothing to fear. So I'm maintaining my speed. I'm at about 68 miles an hour. Everyone's looking at me. Everyone's going slow. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my right turn signal. I'm gonna get off at this Cloverleaf. Oh, the police are gone now. So everyone's like, phew. But don't fear the police. So my blinker's on. And on your road test or your DMV test, you slow down. This is called the deacceleration lane. A lot of beginning drivers go too fast. So I'm gonna go not too fast, but I'm not gonna use my brakes. And I'm gonna have to jerk the car. So if you go too fast, I'm gonna have to, see what I did? I had to throw the car. And if you have to throw the car, you're gonna lose control. So you wanna go into the chevron alignment curve really slow. This is a double right turn lane. I'm looking left, I check traffic, it's a green. There's the police. Then I turn. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick merge on and get off the next exit. So, on your DMV tester road test, there's a route that your tester will take you on. So I'm gonna get back on, my right blinker's on. I'm gonna be taking this interstate, and you have to know directions, east, west, north, and south. So I'm going slow. My entry is about 20. Speed limit around here is about 25. And I'm looking down and around the curve. A lot of beginning drivers will go too slow. And I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. You won't have enough speed and momentum to get back up to 70. Literally, we're 50 miles under the posted speed limit. And we don't have enough horsepower to get up to speed. So literally, we are too slow, okay? I'm at 25 miles an hour. And this is what beginning drivers will do. So I'm looking, praying that we have room. And then I push the gas pedal. We're still too slow. I would mark you down for this slow merge because it's just too dangerous, okay? But I'm back up to speed and we're back up to about 60. So don't panic, but you have to find that happy medium. And see my man's cut me off? That's dangerous. Are you learning? Okay? They could have simply got behind us. It was a big gap. So you decide. That's real life. So I need all of you to learn from this. I'm taking my time. And things happen just like that. So I'm maintaining good speed. I'm going to go ahead and stay in the first lane. If you have your hands at the bottom of the wheel, you'll see what I'm doing? Don't put your hands to the bottom. Don't do it one hand. You'll lose control. Okay, so both hands. And you will be evaluated. You have to have both hands on the wheel. I'm maintaining speed. Again, so if you find this of value, I need you to hit the thumbs up. I need you to subscribe to Driving with Myles. More content is coming. It's been a great day. I appreciate you, and I love you very much. Thank you.